Hey everybody, how's it going? Today I'm doing a video on the Ryobi USB lithium LED pivoting laser flashlight kit. 625 lumens, pivoting head, laser, magnetic, high, medium, low, 3 modes, IP54, dust and water resistant, up to 16 hours runtime, USB rechargeable, comes with the battery and the little USB charging cable. Let's open her up. Battery's charged. We're going to need a knife to cut this one open. Ta-da! There we go, 4 o'clock. Alright, let's cut the battery out first. Be careful you don't cut the cable it comes with. So let's get the cable out right away. Hate this plastic packaging. Okay, there's the battery. It's a USB 2 amp hour. I've got a few of these. I have the Ryobi flashlight. It's great. I love this thing. It's super bright. It works great. Flashing mode. And I use the heck out of it. I keep it in my car tool bag over here. It goes up there. I'm not sure how many lumens it is. I think it's probably the same. So there's the battery. The other stuff I have on these small battery platform is rotary tool, ratchet. There we go. That's the instructions and another flyer trying to get me to buy more stuff. I don't need that. Okay, anything we need to know? 625 lumens, all that stuff I told you. Made in China. 2-year warranty. Limited warranty, tool and batteries. Give you cancer in California. Just stick that there. I know the battery was charged because I charged it. I don't know if it comes charged. One thing I like about this platform is the batteries have a flat side and the tools have a flat side, so they can only go in one way. You can't put the battery in backwards or any of that stuff. It'll only go in the right way. So it's, for now, it's idiot proof until a better idiot comes along. So let's just turn it on. There we go. It's fairly bright. Medium, low. I like this. This is good. I'll move you over here too. I got a little steel plate on my bench. That's a fairly strong, way better magnet than I thought. Let me see what I can pick up with this. Hold on a second here. This is a way better magnet. Let's take this big heavy old screwdriver. Easy. Okay, so that's actually a useful magnet. Accidentally triggered the laser too. I don't know how to turn the laser off now. Okay, we may need those instructions. Blah, 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 blah. Holy cow. Operator's manual. I used to know a Mexican guy named Manuel. Alright, put that in. Installing operating flashlight, hands-free lighting. It says nothing about the laser. Laser. The laser can be used. Press and hold the power button to turn the laser on. Press and hold the power button to turn the laser off. Okay, that's easy enough. So can you guys see that? There's the laser on the package. Ah, there you go. Let's hold it. So this is useful for many things. Pointing to things, playing with your cat most usefully. See if I can zap the camera here. There we go. That's cool. You can have the light and the laser on at the same time? Yes, you can. And turn them all off. So the light pivots both directions. It doesn't rotate, it pivots. And a nice pocket clip. I'm really impressed by that magnet though. What impresses me the most is I read a review online before I bought it, and someone had complained about the magnet, and I thought, well, that's normal for these types of things. These lights normally have really crappy magnets. Can't say this one's a crappy magnet. So this is just some sheet metal, and if I move my drink off of there, I can probably pick that up, yeah, easily. So there you go. I don't know if it's, let me see how bright it is compared to, oh sure, now the fan goes off now that the video's over. So that's on high. Let's turn this one on. Slightly brighter. Can you guys see the two dots? Actually, let me, hold on. See, okay, that's the new one. That's the old one. Yeah, there's a definite little slight brighter. It's not showing up as well on camera. This one's a little bit brighter. I think this is 500 lumens. I don't recall exactly. Anyway, that's it. It's the Ryobi, what number is this thing? It is the FVL54 4-volt battery. There you go. I think it's great. It's actually going to go in my tool bag for the car stuff. And I'm just going to keep this around as a general flashlight. This will be much better for the car with the magnetic base. Stick under the hood, all that stuff. Anywhere I put it, hopefully. So that's it, you guys. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll answer them to the best of my ability. There it is. There's your part numbers there up in the top corner. Right there. Here, where my finger is. If you're looking for one. I never see them in stores. I had to order it online and it was delivered to my house. I'd gotten a Home Depot card for Christmas. So this is what I used it for. I've got about 8,000 of these things. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day. Rowdy boy. Hey, come back here. Fuzzy man. Yeah. Fuzzy little lunatic. Coming up.